Welcome back to Matt's Automotive Milestones. Please subscribe for more automotive history. We have a lot in store. In the early 1960s, the American muscle car scene was gaining momentum, driven by competition and a growing appetite for high-performance vehicles. Among the standout models from this era was the 1963 Dodge D-100, particularly when equipped with the 413 Max Wedge high-performance package. The HPP option cost a whopping $1,235, 67% of the base price. This truck, while primarily known for its workhorse capabilities, transformed into a formidable contender on the streets with its powerful engine options. The D-100, part of Dodge's popular D-Series, wasn't just another pickup. It was a symbol of power and performance. The 413 Max Wedge engine, which was part of Chrysler's big block family, made a significant impact. This engine was an absolute beast, capable of producing a staggering 360 horsepower. To put that into perspective, that kind of power at the time was more commonly associated with high-performance sports cars rather than trucks. With a torque figure of around 490 foot-pounds, the 413 Max Wedge offered not just raw power, but the kind of acceleration that could leave many muscle cars in the dust. In terms of performance specs, the 1963 Dodge D-100 wasn't just about horsepower on paper. Its lightweight construction, combined with the formidable engine, allowed for impressive acceleration and handling characteristics, especially for a truck. The D-100 could achieve a quarter-mile time in the mid-14-second range, which was nothing short of extraordinary for a vehicle designed primarily for utility. This capability made it popular not just among contractors and farmers, but also with racing enthusiasts who appreciated the truck's untapped potential for speed. Now let's talk about the price point. When the 1963 Dodge D-100 with the Max Wedge package hit the market, it was priced competitively at around $3,500. While this may seem modest by today's standards, it represented a significant investment at the time, especially considering the performance it delivered. Buyers were not just getting a basic work truck, they were acquiring a piece of automotive history that combined utility with adrenaline-pumping performance. The allure of the D-100 was not just in its performance specs or its price, it was also in the lifestyle it represented. The 1960s were a time of cultural change in America, and the muscle truck became a symbol of freedom and individuality. The D-100 offered drivers a way to express their personality, whether they were hauling heavy loads during the week or racing down the strip on the weekends. Its design was rugged yet stylish, capturing the essence of what a pickup should be. As time has passed, the 1963 Dodge D-100 with the 413 Max Wedge high-performance package has become a sought-after classic. Collectors and enthusiasts appreciate its unique blend of power and practicality. Restorations of these trucks often showcase the original performance features, allowing a new generation to experience the thrill of driving a piece of automotive history. The legacy of the D-100 continues to resonate today, reminding us of an era when American engineers pushed the boundaries of what a pickup could be. In conclusion, the 1963 Dodge D-100 with the 413 Max Wedge high-performance package stands as a testament to innovation in the automotive industry. With its impressive horsepower, remarkable performance specs, and an enticing price point, it redefined the expectations for pickup trucks, blending the worlds of work and play in a way that few vehicles have since. Whether on display at car shows or tearing up the pavement at vintage races, this truck remains an iconic representation of American engineering prowess and the spirit of the muscle car era.